Good morning class. Once again welcome back to Alchemy online classes. In our last class we started our chapter number 2 sports and nutrition. In that class we learned our first key points balanced diet and nutrition. We finished what is the meaning of balanced diet and started nutrient. The nutrient divided in two parts, macronutrient and micronutrient. We just finished our macronutrient. Macronutrient are which one? Protein, carbohydrate, fat and water. We finished that. Today we are going to start the micronutrient. Macro means the large amount of nutrient and micro means the small amount of nutrient. Today we are going to start our micronutrients. In the micronutrients there are two vitamins and minerals. It's required daily but in small quantity. So today we will see that which vitamins and minerals are important to our nutrient. Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients that we require daily. They are micro, small amount, but we need it daily. Micronutrient needed in very small quantity but on a daily basis. All the chemical reaction inside of our body, is possible with these vitamins and minerals. Vitamins, the term vitamins was first used in 1912. The Polish scientist Kashmir Funk discovered vitamin B1 in 1912. Vitamins are also divided in two essential and non-essential part. They are again divided into two parts, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are different and fat soluble vitamins are different. Fat soluble vitamins are absorbed in fat and water soluble vitamins are of course soluble in water, help of water. So today we are going to start fat soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. These are the fat soluble vitamins. We just start fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A discovered in 1913. Vitamin A important for normal vision. We all know very well that vitamin E is very important vitamin and with this help we can clear our normal vision. It's naturally found in many foods like meat, fish, green leaf, egg, etc. etc. In the fruit that apricot, orange and mangoes. Beside dairy products, cod liver oil and eggs are also good source of vitamin A. We can find in that food. Per day, adults need 700 to 900 micrograms of vitamin A for his daily activity. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is responsible for increasing essential absorption of calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. For absorbing this kind of minerals, we need vitamin D in our body. Source of vitamin D is fatty fish like tuna, salmon. These are the names of the fish. Cheese, egg and sunlight. We know very well that we can easily find that sunlight in India. At least till 9 hours we can find vitamin D from the sunlight. Next, vitamin E. Vitamin E is an important vitamin required for proper function of our many organs. So vitamin E is more important than A and D. Vitamin A and D both are important, but vitamin E is more important than that. Vitamin E found in vegetable oil, cereals, meat, egg, fruit, etc. Next is vitamin K. Vitamin K is play an important role in blood clotting. Whenever we got hurt and bleeding is there, so for clotting, if vitamin K is in our body, so clotting process will be faster. For bone and metabolism, vitamin K decline is a serious problem and can result in easy bruising and bleeding. I already told you that whenever we got hurt and injured and suddenly the blood is start, so to stop bleeding, if vitamin K is in our body, so by clothing we can stop that bleeding. Source of vitamin K: green vegetables, spring onions, broccoli, cucumbers, meat, cheese and egg. These are the source of vitamin K. These are the fat soluble vitamins. Now we are going to start that water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins means these are vitamins which can be absorbed in water. In the water there are two types of vitamins which can be salt: vitamin B complex and vitamin C. In the vitamin B complex there are 8 types of vitamin: B1, B2, B3, B5, B7, B9, B12. These are the B complex vitamin, and the next vitamin is vitamin C. So B complex vitamins are 8 of the water soluble are known as vitamin B complex. How many? There are 8 type of vitamin B complex. B1 enables the body to use carbohydrate as an energy. It is essential for glucose metabolism and it play a key role in nerve and heart function. Which one? Vitamin B1. Next is B2. Vitamin B2 helps break down protein, fat and carbohydrates and play a vital role in maintaining the body energy supplement. For supplying the body energy, vitamin B2 is important. With the help of B2, convert carbohydrates into adenosine triphosphate. Next is vitamin B3. Main function is to extract the excess amount of vitamin if it is not needed. Next is vitamin B5. It is necessary for making blood cell and play a vital role in breakdown of fat and carbohydrate for energy. If it is not in our body, then we cannot absorb that fat and the carbohydrate for our energy. B6. B6 is play a vital role for functioning of hemoglobin and keep skin healthy. B12. B12 is nutrient that help keep the body nerve and blood cells healthy and help making DNA, the general material in all cell. Next is B7. B7 is a play vital part of our healthy metabolism and creating important role in our body. Next is vitamin B9. B9 is also called folic acid. So many times the doctor prefer that we have to take a folic acid medicine. So on the deficiency of B9 we have to take the medicine of folic acid. Enzyme B9 play a crucial role in producing muscle acid, the body genetic material. B9 found in green leaf vegetables, bean, yeast, egg, etc. etc. In the daily need, the one adult need at least 200 micrograms per day of vitamin B9. The next is vitamin C. Vitamin C, this vitamin is as an antitoxin. It helps the body from and maintaining connectivity of tissue including bones, blood vessels and skin. The daily need is intake of in our body vitamin C is 90 micrograms. These are the water soluble vitamins which can be absorbed in our body with the help of water. In next class we will learn the minerals. Here we are finished our water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. In next class we will learn the minerals.